Okay, now that you went through and made your folder in Google Drive called Architecture or Green Architecture, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to come down here and save the template file to your Google Drive in the Architecture folder that you just created. There's going to be a video over here tagged that I'm making right now. So coming in here, the first thing I want to do is I want to click on this template file, which is going to open a new tab. It's going to try to give you a preview, but since it's a SketchUp file and it doesn't know what to do with that, it's not going to be able to. The other part is there's nothing in there. At the same time, up here on top, there is a thing that says Open with SketchUp for Schools. This little bar every once in a while with updates moves around. So it could be on top or in the middle, wherever you notice that there's this little exclamation part saying, hey, how am I going to open this? Open with SketchUp for Schools. And I want to select that. When you select that, you're going to get a little moment of wait depending on how fast your internet speed is, and then also how fast your computer processes or your Chromebook processes this. It could take 10 seconds or it could take about a minute. Now, the next part that we're going to do is we're going to rename this right away. There's a few things that are different for me because I own the template than for you, than you're going to see. So the important part is I want to come in and I want to hit save right here. Yours should say save, mine says saved. Since mine says saved and I own this, and I don't want to change the name for you guys, I want to come down here and I want to click and I want to do a save as. But once again, you should be able to hit save right here and I'll take you through the same processes. So, save as. I want to come in and name this file the same as my assignment name. So click and drag over to select my 1.8 wall components, Control C, and then go back into my SketchUp for Schools app tab and do a Control V to paste that in there. Now that's the name. When I hit OK, you'll see that it's going to ask you where do you want to put this, and I think you may have to select your Google Drive first. Since I already had mine selected, it did it for me. And then I want to select Green Architecture. Alright, I already have some other folders made up. And then I want to hit select down here at the bottom. And once I hit select, you'll notice it named it for me, and now you should also see saved. Now you are ready to go and start doing the videos in Mr. Han's walkthroughs. So going in the 1.8, Mr. Han's videos are up here, and where we are now, we're going to actually start with the 1.2 bottom plate. His 1.1 is essentially the same thing I just did for you guys, just different. So don't watch the 1.1. Please start with the 1.2 bottom plate, and then you're getting ready to make your stuff in SketchUp for Schools app. Thanks for watching.